The first one is it looks like there is a issue with AirPods Pro. If you've had the AirPods Pro as long as I have, you may be entitled to a replacement. It seems like there are some issues with the AirPods Pro. Most of these issues can be fixed with a simple factory reset. But if you are having issues to where the speakers are crackling or there's static sounds that increase in loud environments, or if you just got the first generation AirPods and you want to try your luck, you can may be able to actually get a replacement. Of course, you got to jump through a bunch of hoops. You got to make sure you reset the AirPods. You got to make sure you got the most current firmware update. You will have to put in a ticket with Apple and get in contact with somebody with Apple. They're going to walk through a bunch of, troubleshooting steps.
Diagnostic
Right,
steps.
right. But if your device fits one of the serial number fits the group that Apple thinks may be experiencing these issues, you can find the serial number by opening the lid of your AirPods Pro, and on the inside and the top, it'll read the serial number. You'll need that information to give to Apple once you're talking to them via support. And if all those things lined up, you can get a replacement of your AirPods Pro. So I guess I wanted to ask you, are you experiencing any issues with your AirPods, or is this something you're willing to go through? Or are you like, this is all right?
So I have a little bit of issue with one of my AirPods where it just kind of like stops working some. And so I did follow the instructions at the bottom of the screen of this article that we are reading, and it did not work for me. I typed in my serial number and it said something weird about the serial numbers already being used for something else. And I was like, I don't know what that means. But I did a look and I still have my extended warranty on mine. It runs out soon, but I still have the extended warranty. So I'm not too concerned about it. But yeah, hopefully anybody else who tries the search for the serial number um, option that's in this article, hopefully they'll have better luck than I did because I had none. Plus, I'm really hoping that we get some new AirPod Pros this fall. So
Yeah,
I'm hanging
right,
on to that.
right,
I'm hanging my hat on that.
right. And most people probably are looking forward to that. But if you do want to try your luck, like I mentioned,
You
and
get a
see if you
fresh
can
pair.
get a fresh pair, exactly. In
No
addition
case
to
though, just the actual AirPods.
right,
And
right,
they
right.
decide if it's one or both. So you may not get both, you may just get one. So it's they are being fairly um uh, what's the word I'm looking for? Fairly specific
Right.
with
Yeah, of
what they're
course.
doing. Yeah. You don't get a case. And then if it only affects one ear, not the other, you only get the one that is affected by it.
Right. So yeah, definitely try your luck if you want to. We'll make sure we put a link in the show notes on the website. You may get your new pair of AirPods.